Shorter. So we've got to make sure that we're making our number get smaller, so we're going to divide. Cameron, what did you get for your answer? 1.5. Stand up if you got 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. All right, have a seat. Second question, what is the key word that we're going to be looking for in the second question? Anybody? Is there a key word in this one?
Yes.
There is? What is it, Becca? I'm going to say each. Okay. Where do you see each? It's not in the question sentence, so we got to be very careful with each if it's not in the question sentence. But as I was telling Daryl earlier, everybody give me 2 feet. Okay? If our wall is 2 feet long and our tile is 2 feet, not long, but wide, is that going to matter how many tiles I have across? It's 2 feet wide and my tile is 2 feet wide. The only thing we have to worry about is our 12 feet tall. Everybody give me 12 feet tall? So if we have our 12 feet this way and one tile is only 1/2 of a foot, is it going to take more than one of these tiles to get to 12 feet or less? It's going to take more. So in this case, we're going to put 12 into our calculator and we're going to divide it by 0.5. Did anybody do it differently? Jordan, can you do that one differently?
I multiplied 12.5, but I got 6, so I did it wrong.
Okay, because we're thinking if we've got 12 feet this way, it's going to take more than 6. How many is it going to take? 24. Now, knowing that I've got 12 and I divided it by 0.5 and got 24, what else could I do? Think about what Jordan told us on the last question. What else could I do for this one, Reagan? What could you multiply? Okay, you could do that. What else could you do? Just think about your 12. What could I do to 12 to make it get to 24, Cameron? 12 times 2, because if you're taking 1/2 of something, how many pieces is 1/2? It takes how many pieces to make a whole if you're cutting it in half, okay? So that's what we're going to do. If you've got 1/2, you can actually divide it by 0.5 or you can multiply it by 2, okay? So let's go ahead and go to the next question.